Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am excited to take you on a walking tour of Praia do Camilo in Portugal. Before we begin, I would be grateful if you could hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic travel content. Praia do Camilo is a beautiful beach located in the Algarve region of Portugal. It is famous for its crystal clear turquoise waters and towering cliffs that surround it. Join me on this walking tour, and let's explore the stunning Praia do Camilo together.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
As we start our tour, we'll make our way down a steep staircase carved into the cliffs, leading us down to the beach. Once we reach the bottom of the stairs, you'll see why Praia do Camilo is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The crystal clear turquoise waters stretch out before us, and the towering cliffs provide a stunning backdrop. The beach itself is relatively small, but it's packed with natural beauty. You'll notice the unique rock formations scattered along the shore, and the water is so clear you can see the colorful fish swimming beneath the surface. It's the perfect spot for swimming and snorkeling, so don't forget to pack your swimwear. As we continue our walk, we'll head towards the cliffs that border the beach. There are several walking trails that lead along the cliffs, and the views from up there are simply breathtaking. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the tour, and please hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel content. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.